Hi everyone, I will be talking to the point because now it's not only noise pollution, water pollution, there's so much happening. Because of the current scenario, there is scarcity of water in India. And because of that, the ETP plants, that is basically effluent treatment plants, they have to be worked in a very different direction because honestly speaking, for the longest time, this is something to do with the geopolitics of India. It's nothing to do with the other countries right now. Delhi being the center of India, we all know there was one particular party uh, which was running the show because that is supposed to be an educated party, right? Having said that, what they did is they changed the mechanics as well as everything related to the water pipes, the lightnings. I mean the light bulbs and everything because they made sure whatever tenders were being passed that is given to their relatives or extended relatives, and that is similar to what has happened in the startup culture, and these are the pending cases before the High Court and the Supreme Court. And I'll give you a very simple example. Look at this label. See the spelling of the blue. So the blue here is BLEU. Can you imagine? Now these kind of things are being trademarked. People are forgetting basic way of writing English. When did the blue color, the spelling or the spell check of blue became BLEU, the blue label? And I mean, they file a trademark because they say it's new, it's novel, blah blah blah, according to the sections, blah blah blah. I'm not getting into the trademarking right now because I have been in the trademark arena for the longest time. I had a portfolio of Chinese clients in my early years. My first client was from China, and for the longest time, I was serving China in terms of the trademarking landscape. It's just that somebody from South India, they just slowed the cost. The best way to compete is to lower the cost, and definitely, Delhi being the center of India, we cannot lower the cost. The cost of living in Delhi is higher than Gurgaon or what is called as Gurugram or Noida, and that's the reason people go into these outskirts and they stay there. Delhi is the center of India. We have intellectual property right office right now in Dwarka, which is like probably very near to my place, and the contention of matter here is what has happened is earlier there were major two parties which were running the show of India in terms of since the independence. This is very important to understand because we need to solve the current issue. We have to abolish the Patent Act. There's no question about it. We have to abolish the Trademark Act. There's no question about it. Even for the geographical indications, we cannot allow these families to run the show. Say, for example, I'll talk about this. This is basically a paper mache, and this belongs to Kashmir. For the longest time, everybody knows that Kashmir is the paramount in this, which is known as geographical indication. Now, what has happened is obviously the only authority in terms of what I would say, which was digital in nature in some ways, has been the IP office website. I will go back to the year